Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. While that other video was loading, I thought this would really be easy to fix. A couple of the places where it didn't trace. Grab both those, right click, turn them into a curve, grab about the middle and bring that curve out. You don't have to even do both sides. Now, in this particular case, this might never happen. It's really that this side is the bad side. And these things are broken apart, so you could grab that, hit the plus key on your keyboard, mirror it the other way, and while holding down the control button. Now those are a little bit closer together, and I don't understand that. Why I didn't change the, let's back up here. I guess because it's at an angle. That's what it is. So just move that one over, hit the plus key on the keyboard, mirror it, don't even worry about, and then grab your center rotation and move it there, and just, the heart's not perfectly, it's not perpendicular up and down. So things like that can always be fixed, and you could grab this and actually put it closer to that other part of the heart. You can always double click on it and rotate it away from that spot. Make it like that. That is, their heart is much cooler than mine, so I would go with that clip art. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.